Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I am sorry that it has been a while. I was sick for a couple of weeks due to COVID. Yes, I know it sucks. Yeah, but I got it. My whole family got it. And we were forced to stay at home, isolating. But I gotta tell you, it didn't feel as bad as and as crazy as what some people said about it on the internet or in the news. To me and my whole family, it just felt like regular flu. But yeah, so I think I'm out of the woods. I have a little bit of snivel. But other than that, I'm doing fine. Okay, so today, as I promised on my previous video, for those of you that will be following my videos in my channel, I will be upgrading my Benelli M4, step by step, one feature at a time. So today, I will show you on how to install my newest upgrade. And this one, it's a charging handle. It's made by Gg&G, Mission Essential Tactical Weapon Accessories. I believe this is made in USA. American made here. There's a big logo here that says American made. Yeah, so let's get on it. Alright, so just a manual here, so I'm just gonna put it inside. Alright, so let's take a look. I think it's made from aluminum, if I'm not mistaken. It feels like made from aluminum. Okay, and I know some people on YouTube, they said that they don't really like the Gg&G one. But the one that I saw on YouTube is the one that have no slotted textures here. So this one is a little bit different. So let's compare it side by side with the original one. So to remove the original charging handle, all you have to do is just twist and pull, and that's it. So let's take a look. So the original one, it has it's almost like I have three sides. I don't know if you can see it here on the camera. Just try to focus it there. Yeah, see if you can see. There are these three sides, and compared to the Gg&G one, it has all smooth surface around it. It's like just one side, so that's the difference. And as you can see, in terms of size, it's a little bit longer, I would say, compared to the original one, but it's significantly bigger. So the idea is, to give you a lot surface for you to rack your gun, because the surface is a bigger handle, pretty much. All right, so let's install it. I'm gonna put the original one on the side there. Okay. And I think that's it. Okay, so it almost looks like the bottom part of the Gg&G charging handle, it rubbing the body of the gun, but not really. Just try to show it to you guys on the camera here. It's really close to the body. There's a little room here, but it's not rubbing by all means. So if you worry about it's rubbing the body of your gun, and create cosmetic damage, I don't think you need to be worried about. Alright, so let's try to rack the gun with this new charging handle, see how it feels. Oh yeah. You actually get a much better grip, guys. Yep. Yeah, so you can actually grab it easily right now compared to the original one. As you can see, it's much smaller, the original one, compared to Gg&G. But and some people on the on some of the video said that they didn't like it because it continued to turn. And they are right. They actually continue to turn, if you can see on the camera here. So it doesn't stop, just like the original one. The original one, when you turn it and you can feel it stop. But then again, if you continue to put a little bit force to it, it will turn again. But this one just, it's almost like a radio band. It just continues to turn. And let's see how easy it is to remove it, because remember the original one have those 3 sides, and this one doesn't. So let's see how easy it is to remove it. Actually it's feel the same with the original one. It's way much more grippy compared to the original one. So yeah, I think I like the look. What do you guys think compared to the original one? I think it's definitely an upgrade compared to the original one. I think I'm happy with it. Yeah, so alright guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Please stay tuned for the next upgrade. I forgot to tell you guys that I got this part from Brownells and I'm in Canada, and it was held in a custom for a month. Believe it or not, it was held in a custom for a month and the custom didn't even open it. But yeah, I guess thank you Canadian custom. But yeah, it was not a good experience. I have one more package from Brownells that is being held in custom right now, a little bit of more than a month right now, and hopefully get here soon. And the sooner it gets here, then the sooner I can show you guys my next upgrade, because I still have some sweet goodies in that package. Alright guys, again, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and to make sure that you don't miss my next video. Stay safe guys, bye.